Hey guys, Big Joe back in with another video, and today I am replacing the shocks on my Slash two-wheel drive. Now here's what I'm rocking right now. I've had these in the car for maybe about 3 years, maybe a little longer than that, and we are going to replace them with these brand new ones. By the way, Seamus is teaching me about batteries, so that's what that noise is, so just keep in mind. Out with the old, in with the new. As you can see, all 4 brand new shocks are on. We did have to put the oil in, put in the shock oil, and put on the coils here. Other than that, they're on. Looks good. I'll take it out in the morning. Alright, so a new day on this, and I ordered a brand new servo for the Slash. So I'm going to go put that in real quickly and then possibly take it out to the track later. But this is probably the last of the upgrades on it. I did put on new tires, a brand new set, all 4. Brand new shocks that you already saw in the video, and now just this last thing, brand new servo.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Okay, lads, that's probably where I'm going to end the video. I mean, it's a cheap servo, but I think it works wonders. The Slash is working better than it has in a long time. The shocks work, the servo works, everything's working. I do have to say, in that video, I was running the normal Titan 12 turn, and then after the fact, I put in the new BL2 system. I did it because the Titan 12 turn was overheating a little bit too much, which is probably due to the fact that the system is about 5 years old. But yeah, no, I just changed that out. But other than that, the car 5 years old still works perfectly fine. I still recommend the Slash two-wheel drive, but that's up for you guys to decide. But for now, I'm going to leave it there. Instagram, Twitter, X, whatever you call it, TikTok, all that is down below in the description. Subscribe, leave a comment if you want to. Like the video, please. Have a good one. Peace.